Welcome to Little Mind Channel. Let us learn animals' name and birds' name. Lion, tiger, elephant, cheetah, giraffe, bear, buffalo, hippopotamus, camel, monkey, donkey, horse, kangaroo, chimpanzee, deer, snake, mongoose, gorilla, alligator, ape, fox, rabbit, jackal, walrus, yak, jaguar, zebra, rhinoceros, dinosaur, panther, hyena, hamster, moose, polar bear, porcupine, raccoon, reindeer, anteater, elephant seal. Let us learn birds' name.
Crow, peacock, parrot, red parrot, swan, hen, cuckoo, duck, eagle, rooster, woodpecker, ostrich, crane, kingfisher, owl, pelican, pigeon, turkey, stork, seagull, sparrow.